Everyone. So, I missed present perfect tense inadvertently in my last lecture. So, I would like to cover it here. So, what is present perfect tense? Please look at the formula. It's subject plus have or has, depending on the subject, the past participle, that is the third form of the verb, and the object. Now, when do we use present perfect tense? We use it for an action which started in the past and continues to the present, or actions which are completed in the past but with the results in the present. Like, for example, I have eaten my dinner. It started in the past, but it has just been completed. So the result is very much in present. I have finished my homework. Again, completed in the past, but the result is very much in the present. Now, please do not get confused between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous. The main difference lies in their focus. The present perfect focuses on the result or completion of an action. Like, I have eaten, it's complete, it's done. While the present perfect continuous focuses on the activity itself and its duration. Like, I have been eating for the past 1 hour, or they have been studying for hours. So make sure that you do not get confused between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Hope this helps.